my being hates her!
Relax. You're overreacting.
Relax, you're overreacting. Kung sa'yo ginawa to, for sure mag-overreact ka rin.
Huwag mo sa akin ibunton yung frustrations mo. Tayong magkakampi dito.
You're right. I'm sorry. I just hate her lang talaga. Nasabi ko na ba that every fiber of my being hates her?
Yes, kanina mo pa sinasabi ang linya niya. At symptom na yan na she's getting into you. Kaya kumalma ka, dahil ikaw pa rin naman ang mananalo.
I know. Hindi na ako makapaniwala sa audacity niya to challenge me out in the open.
Don't worry. Pagkakataon na natin.
Pagkakataon for what?
Pagkakataon na natin to destroy her once and for all.
How?
Here is Michael.
What can he do?
Well, I can do anything, Camille. Kaya kong gumawa ng bagong reality. Ika nga nila, perception is real, truth is not.
Exactly. Michael can do anything. He is the best graphic artist in the university. And he will help us create ng isang kwento na sa sobrang nakakahiya, Florence will have no choice but to quit school.
In the great tradition of disinformation. Great job.
Sa gagawin natin, that girl will stand no chance. We will ruin her, we will destroy her. Sisirain natin yan si Florence. Get rid of her irritating existence.
I know that you are all excited because today we are on new territory.
At alam ko na may mga naririnig ako. This should be happening. That there are traditions in Agora. However, just like any tradition, subject din ito sa paunti-unting pagbabago.
And today, we will figure out if this tradition is good. And at the same time, we will decide who will be the representative of the Comm Arts Department. I now present to you Camille and Florence.
I will destroy.
Now's your chance, Florence, na ipakilala ang sarili mo at kumbitsin sila na ikaw ay karapat-dapat sa posisyon.
Salamat, Antonia.
Hello? Sigurado ko, iniisip nyo ngayon. Ang kapal naman ng mukha nito. Kasi nag-go against the flow ako ng kalakaran niyo dito sa Agora. At yung tradition niyo pala.
Who the hell are you?
I'm Florence de la Cruz.
You should not be here.
Tama ka. I should not be here. Pero wala na kayong magagawa kasi nandito na ako sa harap niyo eh.